Hi, I'm Eliot Adhoot. I'm the Chief Commercial and Innovation Officer for Hypertec. We're here at SIGGRAPH.
Hello, I'm David Bitton. I'm the Global Director for Media and Entertainment Vertical at Hypertec.
Today we want to talk to you about what's new and exciting in the M&E industry. So one of the things we have right behind us is actually the immersion pod. What this allows studios to do is actually become much greener in their approach. So what we're doing here with the immersion system is reducing the global impact that IT has on the planet. 3% of the world's energy goes to data centers. We want to reduce that. With this system, we can bring that down to 2%. And then if we use heat reuse, we can bring that down to 1%, making studios much greener in a much easier way and a much cheaper way.
So Hypertec started to invest heavily in M&E about 3 years ago. We built a tremendous team of veterans of this industry. And we have an amazing range of services and products that we offer. From hardware, we manufacture our own hardware and servers that we optimize depending on the workflows, depending on the software. We also have another business unit where we do the usual reseller, but we partnership with, I'm going to say, crème de la crème softwares and hardwares vendors. And we have our last division, which is our cloud infrastructure on demand, that we started building out of Montreal first, where we're testing the water, and then we're starting to spread now through North America in different cities like Vancouver, LA, New York City, Toronto, etc. So one thing that is a really different, the differentiator, about the Hypertec is we are what we call a big, small company. So big enough to be powerful, but small enough to be fast and flexible. The last part that really impressed me into this company is the fact that we have a huge R&D and engineering team. The engineering and R&D team are concentrated into optimize every component of the hardware, but also the R&D team are really working into some funky, cool projects. One of them is the immersion-cooling technology, which is actually tackling the future power consumption, and that is coming into the next steps of the hardware vendors.
So what you see here is a liquid immersion system. What's beautiful about this is, first of all, the density. You can put 10 times more density in this, taking a lot more space into your studio. On a power density, you're using a lot less power operating the system, about 30 to 60% depending on how you look at it. So if you're tight in your studio, this is a great way to increase that capacity and get more render and get more desktops going. So let me show you a little bit about the servers we created that are really for immersion cooling. So first, what you'll see is what's a retrofit. We're taking servers that exist, we're modifying them for immersion cooling. But what Hypertec has done in the last few years is we've created immersion-born systems, first of its kind, that you see here right now at SIGGRAPH. And what the beauty of this is that in the future, next couple of months in December, we'll have a version of this which is made from plastic from the ocean. So we're going to recuperate plastic from the ocean and make a server out of it. The idea is to create an economy around ocean plastic. So people are made to go get it and get money to do so. So it'll really entice people to go and do that. So thank you very much.